Am I still in Bitcoin? Let's get straight into it, guys. Guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the market, so be smart about the way that you are trading these markets, and be smart about the way that you're seeing these markets and the way that you're looking at these markets, okay? Because there's no guarantees of making money in the markets. Guys, if you haven't, make sure you grab the free 12-hour, 10-video long free trading course, mindset, chart reading, trading systems, foundations, all that sort of stuff to help you guys get ahead. If you're struggling in the markets right now, use that free trading course as a tool to help you guys at least get some foundations towards moving the markets. Now, so I'll have some questions. The questions have been, am I still in Bitcoin? And the answer is yes, I am actually still in Bitcoin. And yes, I am still short Bitcoin. I'm definitely not buying Bitcoin right now. As you guys know, right, I did a video with this breakout here by saying that the crash has started, or the big move down has started in Bitcoin. As you can see, we've got some serious down legs in Bitcoin right now. So yes, I'm still short in Bitcoin right now. In fact, I've actually got my stop right now in Bitcoin. I've actually shorted it, so I've actually benefited from this move happening in Bitcoin. Okay, it's the wrong time to short it right now, by the way, guys. And plus, guys, I had a plan that I was looking for. I was looking for an exact setup on the charts, and Bitcoin gave me that exact setup, okay? I didn't just short Bitcoin because I thought it was going to crash. No, I actually had a plan of the exact setup I was looking for, right? So, yes, I did short Bitcoin, and as Bitcoin has started to tumble, I have actually moved my stop from my maximum risk to now looking at roughly 40 to 50%. It's roughly around, say, 50% of my risk. So if my risk on this trade was, say, $3,000, then I've locked in between $1,000 and $1,500. If my risk was $5,000, then I've locked in anywhere between $2,000 and $2,500 profit. Make sense? So I've locked in just under 50% return on risk. So I actually can't make a loss on this right now. If Bitcoin holds right now and rallies back up again, and we may get that, guess what? I'm going to get stopped out for a nice profit. So I didn't care what Bitcoin does now. And if it keeps going down, guess what? I'm just going to keep lowering my stop, and I'm going to keep capitalizing on this move down. And I do see Bitcoin, once again, I do see Bitcoin that this drop through here is just the start of something a lot bigger. And I do see this thing heading down to at least around that $3,000 level there. So I'm not gonna move my stop too tight. Like right now it's roughly 150% return on risk, right? So to keep the numbers simple, right? If I had a $5,000 risk on this trade, my profit right now as I speak, now that changes from minute to minute, right? My profit right now is 150% return. So that's a $7,500 profit. Who cares about the numbers, okay? I guess what I'm trying to share with you is that right now I'm at a big profit, but I'm not moving my stop up. I'm not moving my stop too close to this market right now, because I want to give it a lot of room to move, because we've just spent a lot of time just not doing nothing. So this is the start of a moving phase. So I want to capitalize on this moving phase as much as possible. So I'm just being patient, as well as protecting my profit as well too. So as I said before, the worst case scenario is I get stopped out for a nice profit. The best case scenario is this thing continues down, and I continue making a really nice profit this one. So I have no idea. We could have a nice up bar. We could have a nice pullback in Bitcoin right now. Who knows what's going to happen? I don't really care. I don't really care right now. But yes, I am still in Bitcoin right now. And yes, it is the wrong time to, if you're looking to short Bitcoin, that is, it's the wrong time to get into this right now. Why? Because it's too risky, right? Your risk to reward right now is way too big. And it's not the right time. Once again, guys, with the Bitcoin chart here, I was looking for a certain setup on Bitcoin for me to enter, which basically is the setup I like to get in on. So because Bitcoin actually gave me my trading setup that I like to get in on, guess what? I took the trade. I didn't just get onto it because I thought, oh well, this market's gonna drop, so I'm gonna get into it. Make sense? There's a difference there. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this trading course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.